How to make a LinkedIn business page. Hi guys, today I will be showing you that how you can create your own business page on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First you have to do is just log into your linkedin.com. If you do not have an account, you will simply create your new account and your simple account that you have. From there you will actually get the option of business page. To create a business page, the option is kind of little hidden. So what you have to do is just simply go to work right here. And when you go to work, scroll down and you will see the option of create a company page. This is where we will create our business page. Simply click on that and now we will be ready to create our business page. Now you can see create a LinkedIn page. We have different options. First option is small business, fewer than 200 employees, medium, which is more than 200 employees, showcase page, and educational institution. Now LinkedIn is asking you to choose which page you want to create. I think that most of the people will be creating a small business or medium to large. I am going with small business page. All of these pages are actually quite similar, just the information will be different, but the creating process will be same. So now we have to begin our process. You can see page identity, name your page. Of course I'm going to name my page according to my business. Let's just say we have a business which is a e-commerce business, and you can see this is my URL that has been created for my page. Now the website, if I have any external website, I will simply add it right here. I'm gonna add medium.com. So once you are done with that, let's go down. Company details, industry, what kind of industry is it? You have to just select the category you are going for. So I'm going with textiles. Then company size, I am going with 2 to 10 employees. Company type, my company is a self-employed company. You'll just simply select any of these type, whatever your company type is. Now the logo, I can simply choose the logo for my page so that I already have created. So I can just simply go to my saved images and grab a logo for my company. So now I don't have actually a logo created, but I will simply go with this one. So once I do that, you will see that my logo will be uploaded right here. Now I have to add a tagline, of course, because it's a page, a business page that I am actually creating. So here my tagline will be shown. You can see right here the page review. You will be able to see it right here how your page actually looks. So my logo is actually kind of looking incomplete. So I'm going to change it real quick. Okay, so I have changed my logo just to this. Okay, after that, tagline. Now you have to add a tagline which is of your business. Of course, your business will have a tagline on your website or whatever your tagline says, you will simply add it right here. So I'm just gonna add a tagline. So I have added the tagline right here. So once you're done with all of these information, you will simply click on I verify that I am authorized. So yeah guys, once you click on create page, then you will land on this next step. This is where I will actually see the preview of my page and I will be able to do more of some settings. So what's gonna happen is that you can see now my page is almost created. Now I'm just gonna customize it. So this is the home and this is the content option, which is locked now because of free plan I'm using. If you'll go to premium, you will be able to unlock it. This is the analytics and activity. So build your page and it's almost 30% done, and now I have to customize it and add different elements into it. First thing first, let's add a description to our page. You will simply click on add. So I have added this description right here. After that, you can see that this is the information I added before. If I want to add a phone number, I will simply add here. The year founded, let's add a year into it. So it was kind of like added in 2020. If I want to add specialities, I will simply click right here. I have added these different specialities as well. Once you're done with that, I will simply click on save. So once you click on save, these changes will be added. You can see right here, this is the option for header page info. If I go to page info, this is the page info right here. In the buttons, you will see these options of customized button where I can actually add my website link that is already added, because they have already added all of the links and description what I added in while creating the website. So that's pretty good. Then there's an location option where I'm gonna add location, which actually comes from here as well. So you can see right here that I have added my description that I did. Then I'm gonna add location. So I will simply click on add. Now creating and customizing the page on LinkedIn, and it's super easy to do. So I will just simply click on add location, and I will just select my location. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna click on save. After that, I'm gonna cross right here, no thanks for now. They're asking me again and again to post something. You can see now my website has been created. This custom button, let's add a custom button to our website. So I have already created this button, and visit website or follow, which button should I choose? I'm gonna go with this one. There you go. You have this button of follow right here. If you want to add a custom button, you will simply click on that or remove it and simply save it. So once you do that, your button is also added, which is the follow button. Let's go back again, and then I'm gonna add my hashtags. For example, if I go ahead and I'm gonna add hashtags into it, and my hashtags will be okay, these looks good, and then I'm gonna save right here. So once I do that, now my tags are also added. So now my actually page looks kind of good. I have tags, I have buttons and everything. So let's add a cover image. Of course, I will simply click on this and upload a cover image. Now your cover image should be good, and whatever your website cover is, you can just simply match with that. Okay, you can see that this image, it has been added as my cover that I selected. So what I'm going to do is I can just drag to the position where I want it to be. So this looks good, and I'm going to simply save it. So once I do that, now my banner image is also added, my logo is right here, and my description is given right here. After that, if I want to edit my page, I will simply click on edit page, and I can just edit any information I want to. So once it's done, you can see that my page is already almost like done. So what's gonna happen is now I can actually post right here, or I can build your page companies with created. So if I want to, do anything with this page, now I can actually go ahead and I will see my visitors right here, my new followers, my post impressions and everything. So if I want to start a post, I will simply click right here, and then I will just simply, for now, I'm gonna say, hey, this is my new. So once I do that, I can just actually change it to tagged audience for now, and you can actually tag according to different platforms. For now, I'm just gonna discard it and go back. This is how you actually create a page. This is how simply my page has been created. If I want to view my page as a member, as a LinkedIn member, I will simply go and check out my website as a member, and this is how my website looks to when a person visits it. For example, you can check this out, that this is what my website is now, my business page. I'm keep calling it website because it kind of like gave me an idea that how you create a website. So this is actually my business page on LinkedIn. When anybody wants to follow me, they can just simply click on following. They'll go to my about, and they will be able to check out my information that I have added. Then they can go to my post, where they can check out my posts, that actually one of them I actually did. So we will be able to check this out. If we go to jobs, if I have different jobs, I can do that as well. So this is how you actually create your business page on LinkedIn. If you have a business, if you have any e-commerce business, if you have any other business, for example, you run a agency, you can create your page right here. It's super easy. All you have to do is just create a business page, and you will require just one connection. If you have one connection or more than one connection, you can create a business page of your own very easily on LinkedIn. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to create your own business page on LinkedIn. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.